Imagine our planet, 4 billion years ago. It was a violent and volcanic place, vastly different from the Earth we know today. Yet in this primordial soup, life emerged. Scientists believe this happened around 3.5 billion years ago. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms. These tiny pioneers could reproduce and pass on their genetic information. They lived in the oceans, safe from harsh radiation. They survived on chemical energy in a world without oxygen. For billions of years, these single-celled organisms were Earth's sole inhabitants. The emergence of life from non-living matter remains a profound mystery. Life's rise in such an inhospitable world is a testament to nature's power. Life on Earth remained relatively unchanged for billions of years. Then, around 3 billion years ago, something extraordinary happened. Photosynthesis evolved. This process, carried out by simple organisms called cyanobacteria, harnessed the power of sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into energy. A byproduct of this process was oxygen. The evolution of photosynthesis was a pivotal moment in the history of life on Earth. As cyanobacteria thrived, they released increasing amounts of oxygen into the atmosphere. Over millions of years, this oxygen transformed the planet. It paved the way for the evolution of organisms that could use oxygen for respiration, a far more efficient way to generate energy. The rise of oxygen also led to the formation of the ozone layer, a protective shield in the atmosphere that absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. This allowed life to venture out of the oceans and colonize land, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for life to explore and diversify. For billions of years, life on Earth was exclusively single-celled. Then, around 600 million years ago, another major transition occurred: the evolution of multicellular organisms. This crucial step was not a sudden leap, but rather a gradual process, with single-celled organisms coming together in increasingly complex colonies. The advantages of multicellularity were numerous. Larger, more complex organisms could exploit new ecological niches, move more efficiently, and develop specialized cells and tissues for specific functions. This led to an explosion of diversity as life took on new forms and adapted to a wider range of habitats. The first multicellular organisms were simple, soft-bodied creatures. But over millions of years, they evolved into an astonishing array of life forms, from the bizarre creatures of the Cambrian Explosion to the first plants and animals that colonized land. Multicellularity paved the way for the incredible biodiversity we see on Earth today. Section 4. When life almost ended, mass extinctions. The history of life on Earth has not been smooth. Our planet has experienced several mass extinction events. These events reshaped the course of evolution. 66 million years ago, the Cretaceous period ended. A large asteroid impact led to the extinction of many species. These events created opportunities for new life to thrive. Life rebounded with a different cast of characters. The extinction of dinosaurs allowed mammals to flourish. Section 5. Life finds a way, the resilience of life on Earth. Despite facing numerous challenges, from volcanic eruptions and asteroid impacts to ice ages and shifting continents, life on Earth has demonstrated remarkable resilience. Over billions of years, it has adapted to every conceivable environment, from the frigid polar regions to the scorching depths of hydrothermal vents. Today, our planet teems with an estimated 8.7 million species, a testament to the enduring power of evolution. From the microscopic bacteria that inhabit our gut to the towering redwoods that have stood for centuries, life continues to find a way to survive and thrive. However, life on Earth is now facing a new challenge: human activity. Climate change, habitat destruction, and pollution are putting immense pressure on ecosystems worldwide, leading to an alarming rate of biodiversity loss. It is now more important than ever to understand the history of life on Earth and to appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things. Section 6. A timeline of life, from humble beginnings to astonishing diversity. To appreciate the vastness of Earth's history, imagine it condensed into a single day. On this scale, midnight, Earth forms. Early morning, the first single-celled life emerges. Late morning, photosynthesis evolves, gradually filling the atmosphere with oxygen. Afternoon, the first multicellular organisms appear. Evening, plants and animals colonize land. Just before midnight, dinosaurs roam the Earth. A fraction of a second before midnight, humans appear. This timeline highlights the remarkable journey of life on Earth, from its humble beginnings to the astonishing diversity we see today. It is a story of resilience, adaptation, and the enduring power of evolution. As we face an uncertain future, let us remember the lessons of the past and strive to protect the incredible tapestry of life that makes our planet so unique.